Hello, welcome back to my channel again, InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel, only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all guys, if you're not subscribed my channel, just go to the subscribe button and click the bell button. Don't forget to click the bell button, okay? This is matter that you really want my more videos, okay? So just click on this bell button, okay? You can also check out my recent videos that I upload. You can check out playlist videos, okay? So let's go to the topic guys. So golden tea today guys, I am updating you another update about golden tea. So today's the update is about how you can secure your crops from thieves, other player thieves. How to, the second one is how to dig and plant guard dog in the field, okay? So guys, if you're not registered on this site, you can also check out my video description and you can find that golden tea link. You can also join me, okay? So here is some details about the site. We have been operating for 4 years, 6 months and 12 days, okay? So already registered users, you can see 25 254, and you can check this. What is amount? Is it 2,548,669 players already registered, okay? So online in games, you can see here is some member is online in the game. So here's the team of golden tea. He is the chief anthem, okay, and the chief designer. So here play with millions of users, okay? So develop your plantations of tea to an incredible scale golden tea, okay? So you can start to play, okay? Here is some domains: goldentea.com, goldentea.me, goldentea.cc, okay? So here is some payment method: Payeer, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Kiwi, okay? Here is the DDoS Protect, okay? This is software as a secure connections, okay? So play with us, you will get quality service, collaboration with multiple payment system, bonuses for inviting friends, convenient statistic on invited people, stable operation of the server, play even from your phone. You can also play on your phone, exciting game, okay? So here is my account. You can also select your language you want, okay? Here's my account, you can check. Here's my, you can see I just already withdrawn 2152 rub. You can check this amount in USD. Here is rub to USD. I already withdrawn $32, okay, into my Payeer wallet. So now I will talk about the update. So what is updates guys? You can check this update is 8/28 August 2019 update. Friend, we so update is that friend we add the watching dog, okay? So use the watching dog to the store. So I recently make a video and I tell you I will make a video, another video about guard dog. So it is protect against thieves attack, okay? So what is this update? What is kind of update? So you can buy this dog in price of 30,000 coins. Okay, so other players can send thieves to your field. So guys, you make sure you have to alert from other players that other players can protect can attack your fields, uh, can send the thieves to your field and steal part of your craft farm uncollected leaves. Okay, so they will send uh, their thieves to collect your leaves from your field. Okay, so a watching dog, here's a watching dog, drives thieves away and preserve your harvest in full. Okay, thieves can only attack fields that have 4 or more bushes on the field. Okay, thieves this thief can attack if you have 4 bushes or more. Okay, so we'll add an attack button in a few days. Okay, so is a few days. Hurry up to put the watchdog if you feel is already fully planted with bushes and there is no free space on it. You can easily dig out a bush and sell it for coin through our sports service. Okay, so here is the sports service. I already plant a scarecrow, so I have an extra bush for sell. So here's the sports service. You can sell your bushes, any bushes from this sports service. Okay, so now I will tell you how to plant this god dog. Okay, so I want to show you. I have already planted a scarecrow. There is fighting from flock of birds. So I just also want to protect from other players. So here is the, just click on store god dog. Okay, protect against thieves attack. So just click on this buy button. So make sure guys you have 30,000 coins in your coin balance. So just simply click on this buy and you will see in your game option is the god dog. Okay, so wherever you want you can plant this god dog. So I will choose this or this. Okay, so I will choose this. Choose the first bush I want to dig out. Okay, just simply click on the bush. Okay, so just click on this. Okay, so this is the one I just selected. So just click on dig out. Okay, so here is, you can see it's almost cleared now. So you can now plant your god dog. Okay, just click on god dog and plant it. So the god dog successfully planted. Okay, so here is your god dog. He will protect your field from the thieves, from other players. So thank you guys. Hope you're having enjoy on my video. So please, thank you so much guys. Subscribe me, like me and comment me in the comment section. So bye bye, have a good day.